everyone! So ngayon ay buksan natin yung mga gifts na binigay ng mga bata. Well, this is perks of being a teacher. I love gifts too. Although that's not really my love language, still I appreciate talaga ang mga gifts. And ito talaga yung reason ba't ako masok kahit na hindi ako feeling well. Charis. Tingnan natin yung mga gifts nila. Body spray and lotion. Shop. Meron na akong pwedeng baunin sa bag. Thank you. This. I'm aficionado. This is so sweet. I love it. Thank you. Thank you for this. Ito na lang kasi merong tada! Card. Joke lang. Nilagay ko lang dyan. Yon. Kasi magtatrabaho ako. Siyempre, kahit bakasyon may trabaho pa rin. Magre-prepare ng card. So, inuwi ko yon. What's this? It's so... What? Oh, cherry. Wow. I've got another bag and it's my favorite color. Like, so saucy. Wow. Wow. Ano, nangangain ba ito? Wow. Grabe, and it's my favorite color. Alam nung bata yung favorite color ko. Though I'm not so really kahit favorite color ko, hindi naman ibig sabihin lahat na lang ng gamit. Pero this color really makes me smile. This is so awesome. It's so cutie. So cute. Love this. Wait lang. Tapos ito, meron pa. This one is... Oh! Grabe! Ano talaga? Ano talaga yung gift niya? Eyeshadow? Nagme-makeup talaga ako dati. Hanggang ngayon naman, yung blush ko, lip balm lang, ganon. Lipstick, eyeshadow ko yung lip balm na rin. Pero dati talaga medyo masipag pa ako. Nag-eyeshadow din talaga ako nun eh. May eye definer pa, eyeliner, ganyan. Pero pag tumatanda ka na, tumatanda na talaga, medyo tinatamad-tamad na ba? But this one is, wait lang. Baba ko to. Seriously? Let's open it. Oh, shucks. Grabe. What? It's a book of eyeshadow. And this one is blush, yeah, and blush again, and lipstick. Wow, really? Kailangan ko nang magbalik ng loob sa pag... This is so cute. Bakit mo ito binili? Libro nun ng makeup. Libro ng eyeshadow ng makeup. Kailangan ko na lang ng foundation, ganun. Hala, tapos meron pa siyang guide on how to apply it. Like here, oh. Oh. Really? This is awesome. That's so cutie. Grabe naman yan. Thank you so much. Grabe Bonggang-bongga yun I was so shocked with that Ari ko. Oh. Grabe na napuno ako ng green. Sure. Ang cute-cute ng color na to, promise. Thank you. I like the color talaga. Sabi ko, makita ko lang talaga yung ganung color talagang nag-good vibes na talaga ako Parang ganun. Tapos, meron na naman akong small bag. You know what? I really like small bag too because this is so handy. Handy! Madali lang pag gano'n. Wow! This one! I can go out with this lang. Thank you. Thank you so much. Arte yun. Medyo maluwag siya. Fairness, I can put my phone here, like my money, a lipstick, a small charm jelly, my hanky, and yeah, this is so handy. Thank you. Oh my gosh. More? Okay. Tapos yung actually kanina, binuksan ko na yung laman talaga neto. Iniwan ko sa room kasi magandang pang classroom. Okay, this one. Oh, thank you. Another tumbler, and which is so grabe. I like this and I need this talaga kasi you know, kailangan ko pa ng ganito. Although may na-receive na ako. Wow, thank you. Purple. Sabi? Sabi niya? Thank you. Thank you. Kami tong laman dahil siniksik ko dito yung mga maliliit kanina. Tada! One of my favorite chocolates, Kit Kat. Okay, tapos maraming lang. May mga siniksik nga ako regalo dito kanina. What is this? This is... Ooh, pillowcase. It's a pillowcase. And yes, thank you. I need it. Tapos may sinisik pa talaga ako dito. Ayun o. Oh. Wow! Oh, see this? Another. Thank you. Yung pizza ka malit na pwede ko ilagay sa bag ko. Lip and cheek tint. The color. I like it. Oh, another eyeshadow? Really? Eyeshadow? Wow! Kailangan ano ba? Ba't may eyeshadow ako? Ibig sabihin magbabalik loob na ako sa pag-eyeshadow. Oh my golly. Kailangan ko nang magbalik loob sa pag-makeup. Kailangan ko nang sipagin. Oh! Kailangan ko na magsipag-sipag sa pag-makeup this time. Ng eyeshadow. Okay, meron pa actually. Tiyan oh. Hindi ko naubos na ako ng storage. Hindi ko nakuhanan yung pagkaka-open ko ng mga to. Saka nang ito. Sneakers. And then, meron pa. Oh! Meron pa. Oh. Lagay nila talaga ito dito. Nakikita niyo bang gumagamit ako ng ganito? Diba? Gumagamit talaga ako ng ganito. And I receive one. Or, wait lang. And then, got a dress. No, it's not the dress. The mate. Yes. And this. Ay, ito pa pala. Magamit din ako niyan. Oh, I can use this at church. Thank you. And yeah, that will be all. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful for all the gifts I've received. Kilig. Ito pala yung harap. Tapos, grabe talaga itong librong to. Well, that will be all. Thank you. The sharing. Sharing is sharing. Thank you. Bye-bye.